Using laptops and tablets can be restricting and uncomfortable. These devices generate heat and radiation that is directly absorbed by the body. Even reading books causes hunching and eye strain. Typical desk use promotes poor posture, slouching, back pain, squinting, and overheats laptops. So what if there was an easy way to remedy these painful symptoms? Introducing WorkEZ, a revolutionary series of 3 ergonomic stands that support books, laptops, iPads, and monitors. WorkEZ is designed to promote healthy posture, comfort, and portability for use in any environment. The aluminum panel naturally cools laptops and adjusts effortlessly to any height or viewing angle. Full standing desks are also available through a combination of different sizes. WorkEZ, improving posture and productivity everywhere.